কি খাচ্ছ তুমি?
ডাব।
জল আছে কিন্তু একটু গরম হয়ে গেছে জল অনেক রোদ না রোদটা পড়েছে ডাবের উপরে ওই তো বললাম
কেমন লাগছে ডাব?
ডাবটা
টেস্টি?
I like this one.
You like this one? You were not having it. You were not having it. If you don't have anything, then how will you come to know the taste? Banana is also tasty. You know? Banana, apple, every fruits are tasty. But you never eat fruits.
সকালবেলা যে যাও তখন ঠান্ডা থাকে
Yum,
Happy?
yum, yum.
Happy?
Yes, I love
Okay, hold it, hold
জলের
it.
ভিতরে তারপরে
Okay, now drink it. Yes.
অনেক ভালো একটু গরম
This is the way you should drink coconut. Yes.